You gotta get registered at our website and click through to enter with Miller Lite to win that Honda Ground motorcycle. Or you can find the text to win code at selected Miller Lite displays. So if you see a Miller Lite display around Nashville, definitely check it out. And you can check out how you can get registered for that Honda Ground motorcycle with Miller Lite at WIMZ.com.
Have you been hoping to win $1,000 a day every day for the rest of your life with the added excitement of a chance to win instantly?
Alright, so I've said this before. What you see here is fractal burning, and I just want to say I don't recommend this. I know there's probably people that are going to watch this to say I shouldn't be doing it like that. Everything's insulated. Them clamps are plastic with rubber insulators. I'm not touching it. I usually definitely don't touch both at the same time, one at a time, and I put the other one on the floor so it shouldn't be able to arc to me. But I know it's a controversial method of doing things, and I don't recommend it at home. And here, putting the resin in, the fractal burn. And I ended up having to put a little more than I wanted. And then, as you see toward the end, when I ended up having to turn the platter again, and when I did, I lost a lot of the fine details, just because it was a little shallower in the middle, or deeper rather. And so when I went down in there to re-show the channel, it kind of took away a lot of the stuff on the outer edges. So a lot of the smaller stuff I lost. But it turned out pretty good. I like it. It was my first time trying to fractal burn. And I think I messed up is that I put sanding sealer on before I did the fractal burn. So a couple of my channels ended up running really, really deep, and some of the other ones didn't run deep at all. And that's how I lost a lot of detail when I started turning it like this. So if you're going to try this, if you have your own setup, I'm not telling you how to make one. I'm not advising you to do it. But if you do try this technique, keep in mind I wouldn't put sanding sealer, which is denatured alcohol and shellac mix. I wouldn't put that on there before I burn it because it doesn't really allow the water solution to soak into the wood. Anybody watch the video, I hope you liked it. I think it turned out really cool, um, especially for my first time doing a fractal burn on a plate or a bowl. And I muted a lot of stuff out because I had music playing in the background. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'll definitely try more. I still got a boatload of that cherry left over from Nashville during the tornadoes earlier this spring. And yeah, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.